Welcome to 21st Music. Thank you for joining us today. As you can see, we are continuing to do some more work with our FA-06 Roland Workstation. We are sweeping the filter for a true virtual analog sound. The FA-06 will work perfectly okay as a virtual analog synth. There's the filter controls right there. Standard ADSR envelope with cutoff, resonance, key follow and envelope depth. There's a sine wave, the very purest and mellow of tones, and we only use those in additive synthesis really, or maybe we can set a partial if we need a sine wave, but as you can hear it's very mellow. That's the square wave. Now you hear it's rather buzzy. It's got a lot of odd harmonics. The triangle wave, on the other hand, is a little it's a little more buzzy than the sine, but yet it's not nearly as buzzy as the sawtooth or square. Finally, we've got the sawtooth wave. Very rich in harmonics, the sawtooth wave. One of the things we do in most synthesizers is to vary the pulse width. See, it becomes very reedy there with a very narrow pulse, and then as it turns more into a square wave, you hear more of the fundamental. In this example, we're modulating the pulse width of the square wave with a low frequency sine wave. And if I slow it down, you can hear the timbre change. The only real difference between the FA-06 and the Gaia SH-01 virtual analog when it comes to the analog engine is the fact that the controls are all there on the front for adjustment, whereas the same engine in the FA-06 may not be quite as convenient to adjust for all parameters. But as you can see, we were able to do this for the most important ones, the filter, via the sound modify knobs. Now there's an interesting thing. This is the screensaver, which I think is ever so cute. Let me show you how nice the screensaver is. There you go. I really love this screensaver. It should be an inspiration to any musician. There you go, this otherworldly appearance. Thank you for joining us at 21st Century Music, and we'll see you soon again.